Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you my weather radio collection as of February 11, 2021. See over here. Right there. I have my alarm clock. I have my digital alarm connectivity. These two. And then these 7 because there's another one charging. We're gonna start over here. This is my Recon R1650.
Lows around 30. Temperature steady or slowly rising after midnight.
I got this on the last week. Yeah, I got this last week, and it works perfect. Do a quick little alert test. Yep. I actually got on for quite a few things. So the thunderstorm warning which happened this morning about 10 minutes after I left school. So yeah, and then the weekly test yesterday. My 11:06 yesterday because yesterday was Wednesday. This thing has gone on for quite a few things which makes me happy. I have all of them antennas. Next to that is the Midland WR120.
And Travis counties.
Yeah, I wonder which one
When
is fuzzy.
until midnight Central Standard Time tonight. Impact. Difficult travel conditions are possible. The hazardous conditions could impact the evening commute. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency.
I have a flashlight right there.
Possible power outages. The latest road conditions for the state can be obtained at drivetexas.org. The following is a winter storm warning for the following counties: Blanco, Burnett, Gillespie, Kendall, Kerr, Leno, Travis, and Williamson. What? Significant icing. Ice accumulations up to 1/4 inch. Where? Portions of south central Texas.
Mommy, winter storm warning.
Central Standard Time tonight.
Chill, dude. It's all right.
Difficult travel conditions are likely. The hazardous conditions will impact the evening commute. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Prepare for possible power outages. The latest road conditions for the state can be obtained at drivetexas.org. This is Noah, Weather Radio, Station WXK67 in San Antonio, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.
Wow. That's interesting. Well, I just got a winter storm warning just now, but that's EAS number 2 that I just got, which is pretty interesting. Still doesn't have it on here yet, but I probably might bring it up pretty shortly. Probably, depending on the conditions. I kind of knew that we were probably going to get a winter storm warning. It said on the news, when I looked at the news yesterday morning, said that we weren't going to get it till Saturday. Interesting.
Later by Sunday into Monday with a potential patient. Stay tuned to the forecast. Your local forecast. Winter weather advisory in effect until midnight Central Standard Time tonight. Tonight, cloudy. Chance of rain. Freezing rain and slight chance of thunderstorms before midnight. Then a slight chance of rain after midnight. Near steady temperature in the mid-30s.
Okay, where were we? Oh yeah, right here. This is my WR120, which I always saw.
25 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 50%.
This I got, I think on January the 13th. I'm not sure. I think 15th, January the 15th. Yeah, I think so. This is working perfect condition. Awesome radio. This is the best one out of. Well, this one's the best one out of. This is the second best one out of all of them.
Lows in the
This is the third. Which I'm gonna get into after this one. It has gone off for like 2 things like this one, except they already expired. Both of them. Yeah. Next to this one is I have to say, this is my least favorite. Why? Then you have the speaker blue. See? Doesn't even go up or anything. Not even a weekly test. This is the one that I'm gonna get for more, but depending, I hope they all work. If none of them work, then it'll might be waived about $50, $50 or $60. I'm not sure. Oh, come on. Oh, whatever. Yeah. Oh, put that one back. Next to that one is my third favorite. Actually, no, this is my second favorite. That's my third favorite. This is my second favorite radio. It is my red running nail flashlight radio. Yeah, it's actually pretty bright. This has AM, FM,
Mostly cloudy.
which I find interesting. F1 is pretty interesting. It has a pretty flashlight and it's wind up power, but I don't need to wind it up because it's not. Well, this I got that the same week that I got this, but Wednesday that day. I remember this was on Wednesday. This was on a Monday. Somewhere in January. Yeah, this was in January or December. I'm not really that sure. Probably December. Anyway, this also you can charge your phone and you can charge it as well. I found that pretty interesting as well. Next to that is my fourth favorite, Michelin HH54.
Becoming mostly cloudy. A 20% chance of rain, snow, freezing rain, and light sleet.
Yes, this I got back in I think October of 2020. October 2020, I think I got this one. Works perfect. It's pretty loud. I keep this one on display because I don't want it too loud. This one I have it on enable, but I have it on voice because it's actually not that loud. I like that this thing has oh yeah, siren volume. Yes, it's pretty nice. Pretty nice. And yes, I just got a notification. A brief rain shower will begin at 5:34. Yep. Got a notification on my phone. Next to that is my two-way radio, my Arch Shell radio. 16. Yeah. This is pretty nice. I got this, I think on my birthday. I got this on my birthday last year. It's pretty old. And I guess that concludes my weather radio collection. And I hope y'all enjoyed watching.